In today's video, I'll be sharing 6 side hustles students or anyone really looking to make extra money can start now. Who doesn't want extra coins? Who even survives on just one source of revenue in this economy? I doubt there's anybody at this point. So if you fall under that category, please watch this video to the end. And even if you don't fall under the category, do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't end up missing that one word, that one push you need to elevate your life even more. Chantel here as always. Thank you all so much for 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 people are subscribed to watch my content. That is mind-blowing. I'm so grateful. I'm super grateful. I've not even come to terms with the reality of things. If you're new here, please join our growing community by subscribing and also clicking on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on subsequent posts. Thanks a ton. Mwah. Number 1, sell homemade products. This list is endless. Make lunch packs for those that work, chin chin, puff puff, small chops in general, homemade body butters or cream, dishwashing detergent. A lot of people do that these days. Homemade spices like garlic powder, onion powder, jollof spice, and the likes. All of these you can start from the comfort of your home and scale up as you go. The primary law of making money is providing value to customers. So find something that you can do from the comfort of your home that will provide value to customers and you will sell out. Like I always mention, little droplets of water make an ocean. Start small and scale up from there. Rome wasn't built in a day, and every business-minded person learns as they go so that you elevate and you scale up as you move forward. Number 2, selling of unwanted products or thrifting. Do you have family members or friends looking to relocate? Do you have people that throw away things? If you know people like that, talk to them. Tell them you don't need to throw these things away. You can give it to me and I will sell it for a certain price, and then you charge them based on percentage. If you have people that are relocating that are looking to sell off their home items, open up a page on Facebook or Instagram. Sell these things at a cheaper rate and people will repurpose them and give them a new home and you make money in return. All you need for this is just internet and a phone. Simple as that, which you already have. Try and maximize that opportunity. Don't let your internet go to waste. Children clothes, people thrift these things. Children's shoes, furniture, cars, freezers, and the likes. The list is endless with this as well. Step in to be the middleman and make your cool cash. Number 3, event planner. The holiday season is fast approaching. In fact, it's already here at this point. People are looking to host parties and might not have time on their hands to do all that it entails in terms of planning and execution. Step into the mix to make things easier and more seamless for them. Go on Google, download free to-do party templates and use it as your checklist. So whenever you do anything, you check it off your list. From the meeting you have with the host, you can tell where their mind is at, and then you get a checklist. I'm someone who is very organized, so I am actually advising you based off of what I would do if I were to be in that position. So anything they write and you execute it or you go on the errand for them, you check it off your list, and before you know, you're an event planner. People pay thousands of naira for these classes, but you're doing it on a smaller scale. It's a side hustle for you. If you're a student, this is amazing for you because schools close very soon and you need extra coins to go back to school in the new year. I planned my first solo event when I was less than 21 years. It was a twin 1-year huge birthday party. What I did, because I knew that the parents were so busy, I stepped up and told them, anything you need for this party, I'm your go-to girl. I will go to the market, I will get souvenirs. I even went online on Party City. It's a party website based in the US, I guess. Ordered props and decorations from there using the parents' card, that is. Went on all the errands. I was the go-to person for all the vendors, from clowns to popsicles, ice cream, face design, everything that you need for a birthday party, a 1-year birthday party, that is. I was in Lagos at the time. I went to Balogun Market, got party packs, bags, and everything. Because I had time on my hands then, I was serving, but I wasn't going to work every day. So that was an amazing opportunity to make cool cash. This was over 10 years ago. And when the party was over, the parents of the children were so pleased. They really loved how I planned these things. And they gave me, I think, 70,000, 50,000 naira first and 20,000 later, because the wife was really, really pleased with how everything turned out. Just imagine how much money you can make from such side hustle now, present day. It would definitely be more than 100,000 for just running around for people. You don't just sit there and wait for who to give you money. I have never been an advocate for begging people for money. Nah. This YouTube channel is all about being best versions of ourselves. This is a brilliant side hustle you can hop on this Christmas season, and trust me, you will come back with good comments and tell me thank you. Number 4, local soft drinks, juices, or water. Do you have a fridge? Do you have electricity? Can you resist the urge not to drink everything by yourself? If those 3 answers are yes, then why not jump on this side hustle? Drink selling is an untouched money-making venture, at least here in Nigeria. Even if you're a student and you have a fridge in your room, start small and always have at the back of your mind that you will scale up. Your first order will definitely not be your second order. That is how business is. If you have the aforementioned, this is a very nice side hustle that you can jump on this year, starting now actually. Little capital investment and you will make dividends. Just make sure that your drinks are always cool, because coming from a humid environment like ours, people just want something cold. Oh, do you have cold water? Do you have cold drink? And they continue buying. Once they know that your trademark is cold drinks, you have sold out, because everybody can trust you for that. You're welcome. The 5th side hustle I'll be talking about, I already talked about in a previous video, which I will leave linked in the cards and also in the description box below. Check out those videos for more business/side hustle ideas. Let me give you a tip. The comment section of those videos is an insightful resource and a great inspiration, so do not forget to check it out as well. Point of sale, aka POS. This business idea provides services to help people easily withdraw or send funds. It's a side hustle or business that is fast gaining traction in this part of the world. The least you can make per transaction is 100 naira, so multiply that by 20 transactions in a day. These days, you go to the ATM queue and it is free of people. People just want fast way of getting money and moving on with their lives. It's such a cool way of making extra cash. To start, all you need to do is contact your local bank and get a POS machine, which I think is 15,000 the last I checked. And then you start making your money. In a week, you will cover the cost of the POS machine. That is standard, dependent on where you are stationed. The last and 6th side hustle of business idea I'll be sharing in this video is that of perfume oils. Yeah, I haven't mentioned this before, but I did my research and it is a booming venture, because it's one that is not so expensive to start and the products you sell are not expensive as well. People will smell good but for less. That's the selling point of this business idea. To start up, you may not even spend up to 50,000 naira, or you can even go cheaper by getting a vendor to buy from. So once you collect from them, you add up your gain and then sell, return the money to them, continue doing it until you get to a point where you can actually order from the manufacturers directly. There are also a bunch of tutorials available online on how to make your perfume oil from the comfort of your home. Yes, that's on YouTube and Google. Go and research. You will come up with results. Yo, that's it with this video. Those are 6 business ideas, side hustles that students or anyone looking to make extra cash can start now. At the time of filming this video, these businesses are valid and are sure to make you extra cash. Alright, thank me later. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you are yet to join the Chantel Nation gang. We are on our way to 100,000 at this point, and I know that we'll get there in no time. I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to stay amazing. Mwah. Bye. You walked in and I thought, here we go. One look and I am all but sober.